up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1969 Ford Mustang Grande Coupe up for sale today. We're going to do a complete walkthrough, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. There's no ugly on this car, I can tell you right off the get. We'll go over everything so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Before we get started, if you like classic cars and want to see our new inventory, please hit the subscribe button right now. This way you get alerts every time we get new classic cars in and you have a chance to buy them. Or you can just stay up to date with pricing. So this is a 69 Mustang Coupe Grande. I bought this off the original owner's family. It was an estate sale. Actually, the lady had a garage sale and she was getting rid of a bunch of her stuff because a family member passed away, and this was sitting in the garage and it had a for sale sign on it. I had a client of mine reach out to me and say this was for sale in their area, so we went down to North Carolina and bought it. The vehicle spent its life in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's been garage kept pretty much since new. It's had one repaint on it, but it's in really good condition. We'll start off with the driver's side fender. Driver's side fender's in good shape. There's no visible flaws except for a little imperfection in the paint here. The paint's in good condition. You can see my reflection right there. I can see myself in it. Got a little bit of orange peel. It was painted, I believe, in 2005 from what they told me. There's no major visible flaws in this front fender. Tires are practically new. It's new hand-cooked tires. They're 14-inch. It's got a standard rim here. The rims are not in the best condition. So I would probably say to make this car stand real nice, I would replace it with some nice Mustang wheels. Moving over to the hood. The hood is in good shape, but it does have a little imperfections, as you can see in the paint. It's got a lot of these dips and it's a little rough. So this definitely needs to be wet sanded. You can see the reflection not as good. This needs a good buff and wet sand. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to bring it back. It might be too far gone, but if you look from right here, it looks good. Until you get up on top of it, you can see the imperfections. Lights are in good shape. Grill's in good shape. Bumper is also in good condition. Over here, fender's in good condition. No visible flaws. No rust on it at all. Tire, good condition. A little imperfection there. This car has no rust on it that I can see. Even the undercarriage. Undercarriage is in phenomenal shape. Get the bottom of the doors. Bottom of the doors are in good shape. Inside's in good shape. Rear quarter also is in good shape. I don't see any mud or anything, any Bondo. I don't see any body filler that I can tell visually. Top is in good shape, needs a nice cleaning. But there's no bubbling, no rust hiding back here, which is good. Going to the rear bumper has some pitting here. You can see some age on it. The lights also have some old age. They appear to be original. Got a little baby ding right here. The rest of the trunk looks good. Going back to this rear quarter's in good shape. No bubbling, nothing here. Bottom of the doors look good. It's just a real solid car, guys. Again, doors in good shape. The gaps fit pretty good. Let's see how the door closes. Door closes well. You do have a little bubbling right here. There you go. You see a little bit of rust there, starting on the back of the door. The rest of the door is in good shape. So this is one spot that I have found so far. It's an F code. But in here, there's nothing. Nothing down here. And if you look underneath the car, this is where the car shines the most. This looks all original. Floors are all original. Frame rails original, it appears. And I don't see any rot, any rust whatsoever. This is a very, very, very clean example of a 69 Grande. And you don't see them too much with the vinyl top. Same thing with this side. Look how good that is. Clean, clean, clean. Back rail looks good. Another spot the 69s are known to rust out is the rear frame rails, and these are, I've already checked them when I bought the car. Back here they usually rot out, and this is all solid. The back rail on this side is in good shape. There's no rust or anything. There's a little bit of surface on the rear end. There's the gas tank, and that's just surface due to old age. This side, same thing, pretty solid. This looks like it holds the battery or something. Open up the trunk and see, but the rail over here is in good shape. This has got a little hole right there, but not terrible. Solid. Take a look at the trunk. This is that thing that was hanging down, but this is all solid here. You got a little hole there. The rest of it's in good shape. This is all solid. Get some extra parts here for the wheels. I'm not a fan that they put the battery back here. All solid here. I don't know why they did that, but I'm not a fan for sure. Not in bad condition at all. Door panel needs a little TLC there, but the seats are in good condition, front and back. It's in good shape. The windshield does have a crack right here. I will be replacing the windshield for the next buyer. I'm waiting for the windshield to come in. That will be replaced. It's got this extra tack. Showing 99,000 miles on it. This is accurate miles from our understanding. Fuel gauge works, temperature gauge works, oil pressure's working, alternator is working. Everything seems to be working. The clock is working. And it drives really straight. Idling a little bit high. It's not terrible. We got power steering, manual brakes. Looks like original valve covers. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. We're asking $17,999 or best offer. This is a clean 69 Grande, minimal rust on it. Nice 302. It drives very well straight down the road. It stops good. Not a perfect car, but it's a solid car with no rust. Up for sale now, guys. 215-801-9493. That's my cell. You reach me directly. You don't deal with any salespeople. Let's make a deal. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. Give me a call today. God bless the USA. Later.